What is going on, guys? Dipping back here. It's been a while since I made a video last. It's almost been like a month and a half since I made a video. There's many reasons why I haven't made a video in a month and a half. I will go over that in a separate video in the future, but this video is gonna be about my EGT gauge. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you guys have seen a little sneak peek of the EGT gauge that I got. I bought another Glowshift maxtow gauge. I also bought an autometer steering column pod mount. I actually did have to sand down the inside of where you put the gauge to make it fit. It could have been just my mold for my truck, but I decided to sand it down a little bit. So EGT gauge, why are EGTs so important? EGTs are, if you guys don't know what they are, you probably should know what they are if you have a diesel truck. They are your exhaust gas temperatures. The EGT gauge, basically how hot your exhaust gas temperatures are after combustion, after they leave the cylinders. I put my gauge right in between the third and fourth cylinder. You don't want to put it all the way in the back on the manifold, and you don't want to put it all the way in the front on the manifold. You want to put it right where all of the exhaust gas temperatures meet and head into the turbo. Usually when you get higher EGTs, you could be driving for a long time. It could be a hot day. You could be towing tens of thousands of pounds. You could have a smaller turbo that you're not getting enough air to fuel ratio in your cylinders. Or you could also have a programmer that's just dumping a lot of fuel. You're not getting enough fuel to air ratio in your cylinders, and the excess fuel is making the exhaust gas temperatures a lot hotter than it would be if you were actually burning most of that fuel. So let's go take a look at what I did when I installed my EGT gauge. Man, it feels so weird holding this camera after like a month and a half. If you guys are wondering, I still do have my stack. I posted a couple videos on Instagram where it was showing the exhaust coming out the bottom. That was because I had to put the stock exhaust back on for my fix-it ticket that I got for having the stack was too loud. You guys have already seen that video. But yeah, let's go show you guys this EGT gauge. And I'm wearing the douchebag sunglasses today. I don't give a first day back in a month and a half. I think I can wear them. The OGs. So this is the gauge right here. But yeah, the gauge pillar. I really like this gauge pillar right here. Just because I already have the three gauges right here, and then I have the edge monitor. And now I have the EGT gauge right smack in the middle where I can keep an eye on it, because you're not always just looking up at these. You're always looking down at your speedometer, and you're always gonna see the EGT gauge right there. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. And yeah, it's at 0 right now just because the truck is cold. Then I have the other gauges right there. The edge won't turn on unless I turn the truck on, so I'll show you guys the fuse box right here. I already have the wires for the other gauges right here. I just tapped them all in right there. Pretty much self-explanatory. So yeah, we got the hood popped. And there is the probe right there. Like I said, tap it with the 1/8 NPT tap and drill set. I'll leave a link in the description to the maxtow gauge, EGT gauge, the 1/8 NTP tap and drill set, and also the gauge pillar that I bought. So yeah, EGT gauge right there. I decided to put it right in between the third and fourth cylinder, on the closer to the third cylinder side, and just zip tied that wire up. And it all runs into here, up into the gauge. So yeah, there is my EGT gauge that I bought and installed. I'll go ahead and turn it on again for you. Goes complete with all the other gauges. I know you guys have been wanting me to make videos. Only thing I can say is get ready for some more videos. Like I said before, I was saving up a lot of money over the past month and a half. Next video will be you guys choosing the next upgrade for this truck. So I have a couple things I want to do. I will be asking Instagram what they want me to upgrade next, and I will be doing a 50-50 poll with some items that will be some upgrades for this truck. So be on the lookout for that tomorrow. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Be on the lookout for more videos. There will be more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.